Good morning. Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley here. This morning, I'm going to start working on these old wrenches. It's going to take a lot of work. The rust and corrosion has really set in. First thing I'm going to do is take a little bitty flat screwdriver and some small wire brushes, and I'm going to try to get around the joints, the slides, where it moves, the moving part, and get some of that rust out. And then my next step is going to be put it in a bucket full of diesel and let it soak about 4 or 5 days. And believe me, people, that'll work. That'll take it out. Oh, it's got a lot of rust built down in there. Uh, these old wrenches and old tools, if you ever get them back working, they're a lot of fun. Now you take this wrench. It's smooth jaws. It's not a pipe wrench. I'm guessing. I'll have to do research, and I'm sure some of my people know that this would not be used as a pipe wrench. No, there's no grooves. What this would be for is like big nuts on heavy equipment, railroad work, anything's big steam engine where you need a big wrench, and it would just fit around a square nut. That would work. Other than that, I don't see a lot of use for this wrench because you'll bust a knuckle trying to tighten the pipe with it. Now, like I said before, I've had this one for years, but look at the teeth. Even the teeth is rusted off. I'm going to try, but the odds of saving this one is going to be slim to none. Anyway, I'm going to set up on my diesel, get all my containers ready, and come back and put it to work.